CDT is CDT equity. Looks like this spiked up to 130. Let's see if there's any news on this. Indeed, CDT equity signs transaction to acquire 20% equity in Sarborg for 115 million. So this is to transform its AI-driven asset strategy. This will definitely require some more work. Might even be able to ask AI about this to kind of make it a little bit simpler for us. Clinical stage specialty biopharmaceutical company. Let's take a quick peek at the short interest on this one. 12.18% and a notable increase from the prior read. Only 1 day to cover. Average 100-day volume is 568,000 shares per day. It's done 2.1 million here today. Floats 2.2 million. I know you hadn't prepared and haven't had enough time to read through the entire PR, but you have anything here on this one? I mean, it looks to me like we just traded up to the after hours high from Wednesday. This looks like a Mark Petrino special.
Yeah, so they need cash, but they just entered into a 25 million equity line of credit last month. So I'm not sure that they're going to need to raise capital if they can just borrow it. The other thing here that's moving it today is their equity stake for 115 million. I don't know where that money's coming from. So that's the side that makes me wonder, are they going to raise capital for that? They just did a reverse split. I say just, it wasn't just a reverse split. They did a reverse split back in October. It was a 1-for-8. So that's the reason why we have the float where it is now. And I don't know. I haven't looked far back enough to see if they've had a what's it called? A delisting notice. But it seems like they kind of were going through the motions of regaining compliance with that reverse split, and we just haven't seen the capital raise. So, yeah, I'm not sure. I also see that they announced that they're a strategic purchase of Bitcoin for $1 million. They bought that back in September when it was 115,000. So that's not doing well for them. I'm not sure about this one. I get the sense that they're still going to need to raise money somehow. Let me look at the chart a little bit more closely here. So we did come up to this high from yesterday's, or rather Wednesday's after hours, and we haven't gone a whole lot higher than that. So if we come back in, I think 115, maybe one right about there, 115 could be the support. If that doesn't hold, it could get everything back. I don't really have a whole lot beyond that, unfortunately.
Here's what we're looking at. So that would be a possible support area.
So here we are coming down to VWAP right now. Now, if we don't hold here, I think we're going to hit that 115 area.
115 is pretty much right here. So, okay, that was a good move. That was a good call.